Hello, welcome back. So in this particular video, we are going to see the one of the representation using Python, and the representation is with respect to the word cloud. So what is word cloud, and using Python, how actually we can view this. So that particular thing we are going to see right now. Okay, so before just running the command using Python for the that is what we are going to see now. Okay, so before that we are going to just see that what actually it is about. So a word cloud is a visual prominent representation of keywords, okay, that appears frequently in the text data. So for rendering those keywords in the form of cloud like a color picture so that we can appreciate the main text data at the glance. Okay, so that is the ultimate aim over here. So you can see many interesting word cloud of internet as follow. Okay, so what actually the principle which is using behind is nothing but it is using NLP. Okay, there is nothing but the text processing, natural language processing using Python. Okay, so that actually we are going to perform right now. You can just take overview with respect to the link which actually I'm going to share in the description. Okay, we are just going to just see how to install the word cloud. You have to simply type, that is the pip install word cloud, and once it's done, you can just go ahead and just write the simple command over here. Okay, that is import numpy as np. Okay, and this is the data which is taken, okay, from PIL, whereas you can just give your data in the form of CSV file, in the form of text, any of the file format what you have, and you have to simply write the command, that is import image, and from word cloud, so import word cloud with image color generator and the stop words like this. So the text which is open, and let the text to be go, okay, and then read. So we are using the word cloud, and the background color is maintained as a white. And there we have defined the particular width and the height of that particular representation. And then generate the particular text. Okay. And then if you want to just save in the PNG file format, that we can do. Okay. So after that, you can see that as a simple representation over here. This is how you can just use different common parameters, okay, to define the width, height, that all thing has been provided over here. And if you have the particular file in your drive, okay, and if you want to save in the some of the drive, that also you can perform. Okay, so like this, different representations is available. So using this particular thing, you can just try the word cloud. Okay, so stay tuned for further videos with respect to future omics, basics, and advanced bioinformatics. Thank you.